Good morning, guys. For today's video, instead of doing a haul, it's been a while since I've done a shop with me. This is probably one of my favorite stores, so let's go in and see what they have. Oh wow, they already have some Easter stuff out. Got some eggs. We've got some grass. Oh my gosh. I've already bought so many of these. Do I have this one? I think so. These cards are my absolute favorite. Love, love. Oh, how cute is the cat? Wait, what is this one? Do I have this one? I don't even know if I have that one. Alright. I think I have that one. That's cute. Whack-a-pack? What is Whack-a-pack? I think I've seen these for a couple years, but I've never picked one up. I feel like I should try one of these. Ooh, look at that. I think we're gonna get one of those. Ooh, very pretty. Here's another one. I think I'm gonna try this too, whatever this is. Looks like it inflates into a balloon. Alright, so we've got all of the regular cards here. Sometimes I like to check them out because they have some really cute designs. Like this one. That one's really fall-like. But yeah, I don't spend too much time here most times that I come here, but I do like to kind of look through some of them. Here are some more of those Whack-a-packs, but this one's a birthday. Curious what. Oh, look at the little hats. I think I've hauled these before. Here's purple. Look at this color bag. It's like a teal. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? What? I have never... There's only one. Okay, we're definitely gonna get that one too. Is there any more? Ooh, look at this. Scalloped container. These would be cute for the game room. Yes, we're gonna get these too. It's the only ones there also. That's so crazy. These are definitely new. So I always usually have a very specific order in which I shop. I always have to start with the whatever holiday is out, and then I'll do the birthday stuff. Okay, how crazy is this? I just found these balloons. Obviously Christmas is over, but I wish I would have found these during Christmas. You get Merry in red, there's Christmas in red, then there's Christmas in green, and then Merry in green. What? Why? Why am I just now seeing these? So I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple of these, and then I'm actually gonna use them as present toppers for next year. Okay, let's see what else we can find. All the cute little bags, different colors. I love those. These plain ones are some of my favorites. So navy is one of my favorites. Love. The whites are so good because it's like a blank canvas. You can do so many things with it. Ooh, look at all this. Craft stars, all these little beads, rhinestones. If your child is doing a craft project for school, this is where you come. They're starting to have magazines here. That's kind of crazy. Okay, this is a great buy for $1. They have floral wire in different colors now. What? Purple, black, gold, silver. Okay, that is impressive. Look at that. Looks like they have St. Patty's Day out. I don't decorate much with this holiday, but it's all really cute. These look like they're new, little bag clips, multi-purpose clips. So cute. It's adorable. Then you have some of your regular ones. This entire set is so cute. You get some stove covers, some burner covers, cutting board. Oh, I have these, but I've never really needed those. I mean, I'm sure you could DIY that. You could actually just put those up in the 10 qualities, very farmhouse. So if you bought a couple and just like did, you know, 3 rows of the same picture, that would be really cute. Here's a little French bistro style, a little Napa Valley, little farmhouse. So cute. And then they have like all the matching kitchen stuff to it. Look at that. You've got the scrubber cloths. The tags are always in the way of the picture, but you kind of get me. I have these. I love the farm fresh ones with the rooster. I mean, isn't this... I mean, I wish it was stocked more, but this is the reality of some Dollar Trees, right? And then they have matching placemats for all of it as well. So here is the... This one is actually really cute. This gives me that Mackenzie Childs vibe from Traditions by the Seasons. Like you could cover that up maybe and do something else. Or look at this. You could cut this rooster and place it on top here, and then just use the edges. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a DIY at the end of this video. We'll see. And then there's all of the containers. One day I want to get really organized and get a bunch of these because I really lack having all the storage containers. I only have like 1 or 2, and yeah, so eventually I'll get really organized with those. What is this? I don't think I've seen this Ajax cleaner like this before here. They've got the orange one, but I've never seen the lime. That's really cool. I love these too. These are great. I like to pour them in the toilet. Gives it a nice smell. We've got all of the Glade stuff, Hawaiian Breeze, the fresh lemon. Oh my gosh, I love this one. You also have these, which are great too. They're nice and strong. Clean linen, that's a good one. There's Hawaiian Breeze again. Cashmere Woods is so good too. apple cinnamon. There's that Hawaiian. What is this one? Cherry blossom. Very Bed Bath & Beyond. No, very Bath & Body Works. That one, I think. And my favorite stuff, all the cleaning products. Oops, let me zoom out. Handy chamois. Holds 5 times its weight in liquid. Cleaning towel, microfiber. Ooh, look, they have new colors. Aqua, fuchsia. Yes, I love this one. Okay, this right here, this drain rooter is a lifesaver and it's $1. Keep one on hand. I'm telling you, you know what? Keep multiple on hand because they do get gross afterwards and I'm not like trying to clean it off. But those are so good to unclog sinks. Oh wow, look at their little tissue boxes. How pretty are those? Softness you can feel. Ooh, it says it has aloe. Look at that one. Alright, found some new coffee mugs, but it is a little loud back here because we are by the freezers. But Rise and Grind. That blue one's pretty. Love the purple. They rarely do this purple color. I can't see anything else. Alright, so I am back home from the shop with me and I am going to do a quick little DIY. I've never done this before, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So what I want to do is I want to actually change out this side with this side. I want to lay this checkered over here. I think that it will look even cuter and definitely inspired by Liz from Traditions by the Seasons. If you have not seen how she just decorated for her kitchen, you have to go see it, especially if you love farmhouse. Oh, it's stunning. So definitely inspired by that, but I just don't like this red right here. It doesn't even match the barn for me, maybe a little bit, the bottom of the chicken, but yeah, I wanna just add this. So I'm wondering, I think I can do this one of 2 ways. I can either cut these off and glue it here, or I can cut the big chunk of the rooster. Did I call him a chicken earlier? I don't know if I did, but the rooster, and put him in the center. I'm just trying to figure out which would actually be easier. And I'm thinking I'm going to cut the rooster just because I'm worried that if I overlaid this, I don't know. Listen, that's how we're gonna do it. So I'm just going to cut. So far, I've never done this before. So far cutting through these is really easy with a pair of scissors. Try to make as straight of a line as possible. You can even probably use a cutting tool. I'm probably gonna regret doing it this way, but listen, it's already happening. So this is what we're going for. Do you see that immediate difference here? I just think this looks better than this. And then let's go ahead and cut this side off. Take your time with this, especially if you're not having to do too many. All right, so see, here's the placemat. I mean, even just alone like this, it looks better without that side. And now, wow, I think that looks so much better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just hot glue this down. I'm not gonna actually use them as placemats. I think they would actually be really pretty if you use them maybe as a backdrop or to put on the wall as wall decor, or to fill up like the space of a bookshelf. So I'm just gonna add a little dab of hot glue, and I think that should do it. All right, and that is the finished product. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I wish that I took a before and after picture for the thumbnail, but I completely forgot to do that. But anyway, is that not gorgeous? I think it's so much better than this. That was the option, and we did that. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.